you with me? Yes or no? Please, can we close that door, bro? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam walks into the masjid. When he walks in, he finds the Sahaba. What were they doing? They were wrestling. Do you think this is new? Do you think you wanting to know how to fight and that fighting makes you a man, do you think that's something new? The Prophet came to cure the diseases of humanity. So he walks into the masjid sallallahu alayhi wasallam, finds the companions wrestling. You know, I have this obsession with trying to imagine the atmosphere. Like, imagine being there live. You know, sometimes as mates, you're fooling around. You're doing things that you wouldn't do if a woman was watching. You wouldn't do if your father was watching. You know, your mates, kicking back. We're having a laugh. We're having a giggle. So the Sahaba, they're in the masjid and they're wrestling. They're manhandling each other. They were doing exactly what you and I do. So he walks in, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, catches them in the act, and very quickly things become awkward.